Good day guys, this is danjustice77 here. This today is a video on how to live stream to Twitch. Using Mixer. I'll just catch these fish. And then I will show you guys how to use Twitcher to live stream. Mixer to live stream. My words are real jumbled up today. Okay, so what you want to do to live stream to Mixer is you want to have a game running. As you can see, I have Red Dead here running. And then you want to press your home button, and up the top here you got to go to broadcast, which is right on the top. So click into broadcast. If it loads up, then you want to sort around with all your like party chat. If you want that on, stuff like that, you can actually go to camera options. It will give you a few more options there, so you can use a webcam, full screen camera. So there's a lot of good stuff in there. You can also go down to options here. As you can see, there's party chat and party audio, which you should always have on. And this is to allow you to where you would like your little icon thing there. I usually put it up the top there. Okay, so once you've done all that, you just want to go start broadcast. And we are broadcasting. So it's as easy as that, guys. Simple, live. So now we are broadcasting, as you can see up the top corner there. What am I doing? We'll just catch a fish to make sure it stays on. I'd like to talk to you guys about something as well. I having a lot of connection issues at the moment, so that's why I haven't been uploading. Every time I go to do something, I get disconnected. And same as games. So if you're trying to play a game and send me an invite, I do apologise, because every time I try and join someone it disconnects me, or yeah, there's something really wrong with the internet at the moment. But with that said, I hope you enjoy this video on how to use Mixer. Hopefully helps a lot of people out. So well, we're going to leave that video here. If you'd like any more tutorials or gameplay, anything guys, just please leave a comment and let me know. Oh, we caught a fish. I can do some gameplay on this if you would like. Got a few mates that want to do it, so small fish, okay. Oh well, we get 75 cents for that. Alright guys, so I'll leave it there. Have a great day. And stay cool, because it's damn hot in Australia at the moment.